and 4, di ba? So, 9-point lead. So, great game plan dito for Coach Benedict Buwan. And, of course, the returning Coach
Benji
Benji.
Navarro.
Kita naman natin how prepared they are and how hungry they are to, advance to the next round.
Yes. And also the defensive scheme, Coach Pancho, as referees say, ball will remain dito sa panig na Luwid 1. The defensive scheme on John Samson, only allowing him 3 points. A man who averages 16 per ball game, di ba? Really
Successful. Yeah, look at this.
Take a look at this. Kay Dimla, but the referee says, wala, hindi nag-change yung trajectory ng bola as Saraza with a layup. There's a lifeline pa para dito sa San
Yes.
Pedro.
So they need to capitalize the turnovers of Fluid 1 Kapapangan kasi dun sila magaling. Kaya sila #1 team when it comes to points from turnovers. So the lead is just down to 7 with less than 4 minutes left, Enzo.
Yes, 89-82 is our score. 3 minutes and 55 na lang natitira. Can Luwid 1 put this game to bed? Or will San Pedro Mamba have another finale up for grabs to live to fight another day? Again, all or nothing for San Pedro Mamba. 89-82. Timeout on the floor. We will be right back.
J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
The Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase Philippines is brought to you by J Project Clothing Shop, makers of quality uniforms, our official outfitter sa Sinag Liga Asia. And kita nyo naman, uniform natin ngayon, Coach Pancho, di ba bagay na bagay for Independence Day?
Oo, no? Ganda. Ganda ng timing. Ganda. Basta J Project yan. And in this sign talaga.
Boss June, shout out. Ito sa pass up with a basketball. Ito na yung full court press. As I said, Coach Pancho, they're
Yes.
going to wait until the final 4 minutes. Final 5 or 4 minutes. But then again, sa pass up, nakapagpahinga for at least 2 minutes. So, medyo fresh leg pa siya. Does that count? They say foul on the ground. That would have been big if that counted, Coach Pancho, di ba? Take a look at this one more time.
Look at the little bit of hang time.
Oh. With Eason.
So no basket yun kanina.
Oo.
Ito, there's a switch na nangyari. Let's see.
With Eason si San
Oh.
Obelit. Yun nga lang. Nabitawan niya yung bola.
Yeah, right thing in mind, nabitawan lang niya yung bola. He sees the lane Bumuka
Oo. Nalaki siguro mata niya, Coach Pancho, no? Bihira lang mangyari yung kay Buitison, eh.
Oo. Kasi usually pag na-drive si CJ, talaga may haharang na dyan
Oo. Minsan lang siya makita ng liwanag pag na-drive.
no. Another opportunity for San Pedro Mamba, ex-Mr. P Rentals Company to tip down the lead,
Yes, that's 7 points.
Oh,
Good give and go!
hindi
Hindi na
lang.
pumasok. Samson, it's really not his afternoon.
Yes. Grabe. They've been designing a lot of plays dito kay Samson para hindi lang na-finish. Eto na, yung pressure, which they need to do.
And they're wasting away the time. Ito, Luwid 1, a basket here could be huge.
Oh, rejecting the
CJ.
screen.
At Sachs, too strong yung layup niya. Here comes
Oo.
Mingilio na nanahimik dito sa fourth quarter.
Yes. CJ Brisson missed a lot of point-blank range in this ball game.
Ito, Coach Pancho Saraza.
Oh!
Same result from the same spot.
It was that guy, Saraza, who's making things possible dito for San Pedro Mamba, Mr. P Rentals kami. Not only sa offense, but his defensive presence as well.
4-point lead na lang for Luwid 1. San Pedro still in this ball game. Ball was tapped. It will remain dito sa panig ng Luwid 1.
Yes, si Samson, si John Samson, medyo bumabawi doon sa the defensive end. He was the one who defended EJ sa pass at that time.
Take a look at this last shot of the quarter brought to you by CDO Food Spear Food that brings you home from Ken Saraza. Big triple right there.
Everybody's ball game, Enzo.
Yes, and Manarang comes back in for Luid 1.
Oh, good play.
Sa pass-up, misfires on that
Again,
Gimme.
lots of missed layups right here.
And Saraza just couldn't save the basketball. That would have been big kung nasalo niya yun, Coach Pancho.
Yes, especially kung na-finish niya yun. Down
the
to two
pressure.
sana. Oo.
Here's the pressure, liwanag.
Easily cross the half court.
Oo, ang bilis din kasi. Last 2 minutes tayo dito. Can Luid put this game to bed or will San Pedro have a comeback for the ages? Benson. Blocked by Samson.
Back-to-back defensive plays ang binibigay ni John Samson
Oh,
dito. But
Liwanag!
speaking of defensive play, Russell Liwanag.
Foul nga lang
Oo.
daw.
But they're not giving those easy 2 points, ha?
Oo.
You need to applaud the effort of these players.
Sabi,
They really wanted to advance the second stage of our quarterfinals, Enzo.
ayun. Malinis sa taas but he did clip Manubay in the face, di ba? On the follow-through ng block. Yun nga lang, Manubay misses the first free throw, Coach Pancho. That is big. It's Coach Mark Roca on your screens.
Yes. On this game, 50% free throw. Yung kanilang performance ngayon, ha?
Over 2. And Mingilio jumper in and out nga lang.
Sayang.
2 chances to cut the lead down to 2 and there's a crucial foul there on Buitison. A minute and 34 natitira. 4-point lead for Luid 1.
Wow, grabe. Way below their average itong San Pedro Mamba, Mr. P Rentals, when it comes to free throw percentage. They're averaging 65%, but in this ball game, Enzo, only 50%. And especially on that crucial miss, 2 missed free throws, malaking bagay sana yun.
And look at that. How big yung IQ nito. Gano'ng kataas yung IQ ni sa pass-up. Nakikita niya, Buitison, they're already targeting him on the inbound. So lapit siya kay Buitison, sabi niya, ikaw mag-inbound para hindi ka nila pressurein.
Yes. Ito, mismatch to.
Sa pass-up drives, couldn't knock down the layup, but there's a foul and that will put San Pedro over the limit na rin, Coach Pancho.
Yep. And EJ sa pass-up making right decisions in this very important moment.
Oh, look at that, there's the foul on Samson.
Yes, he knows that he has an edge over itong si John Samson dito. He is taller, bigger, and quicker. That's why yung first step niya, naiiwanan niya si John Samson dito.
And again, yung decision niya to go over to Buitison and sabihin, you look tired, but the defense is going to you. Ikaw mag-inbound. But yun nga lang, he missed another free throw din dito.
Yeah. Oo, medyo siguro hindi na rin natin mabe-blame itong mga to. Not only from the pressure, but again, kasi 8 players lang sila.
Oo.
Medyo fatigue factor na rin to. But knowing them, of course, they really wanted to win and advance.
Tingnan mo, wisely, pinaboarding him tira, Coach Pancho, sa second free throw. 5-point lead for Luid 1 Kapampangan. Manses back on the floor, being defended by Sapasap. Samson attacks, Samson. The kick, Saraza. Off the mark this time.
And that could have been big, ha, kung pumasok yung three-pointer ni Saraza doon from the same spot where he hit earlier.
Nakadalawa na doon, Coach Pancho. 90-85 is our score. 1 minute and 9 seconds natitira sa ating laro. A 5-point lead for Luid 1. Kapampangan timeout on the floor. We will be right back. Sinagliga Asa Junior World Showcase Philippines is brought to you by 0107 Management Group Incorporated. This is probably one of the best games we've seen dito sa Sinagliga Asa. And of course, it's also brought to you by Sunsport, the official basketball of Sinagliga Asia. Lagi na lang, no, pag best game, may qualifier lagi itong Luid 1 na siyempre. Dahil kaya magaganda mga laro natin, dahil maganda coverage natin, dahil sa ating production partner, ang Video Gear Incorporated. Love ka namin, Tito Fernan Obrero.
Yes, of course. Video gear yan eh. And this is why it is called playoffs, Enzo. The level of play, talagang nagle-level up and notch up din yung defense and offense for both teams. Siyempre, back against the wall. Itong San Pedro Mamba, Mr. P Rentals Company. That's why this is a very, very important ball game for both teams. While Lead 1 Kapampangan, all season long, they've been playing incomplete, but their hearts talagang never count of them. Talagang they're playing their hearts out in this ball game. So, meron pa tayo ditong 1 minute and 9 seconds. Lamang na 5 dito ang Lead 1 Kapampangan and over the San Pedro Mamba. Mr. P Rentals Company, Lead 1 Kapampangan trying to book a ticket to the next round. Well, ito naman San Pedro Mamba, Mr. P Rentals Company, same thing. And they're trying to survive because a loss will eliminate them completely.
Totoo. And Coach Jonathan, nag-timeout si Coach Mark Roca. Ang ginawa ni Coach Jonathan, siguraduhin nyo lang na bola nila. For an extra few seconds, habang yung San Pedro nandirito na, nag-map out pa si Coach Jonathan for those few seconds na nag-review referees. Again, not a coach's challenge kasi under the last 2 minutes, diba? That's completely legal na.
Yes.
Let's look at that.
Again,
Three-pointer by Samson
they
na naman.
decided to play for John Samson. But he was clobbered that time. You know, the trust of Coach Mark Roca. He knows John Samson is his #1 weapon, his #1 scorer in his team. But he is struggling. Okay? But again, sa defensive end naman, bumabawi si John Samson. But he is still, designing a play for John Samson para makuha niya yung rhythm niya because he knows the caliber of his player. Okay? Kita mo naman. That's why ito. Kaya try niyong suklian.
He's knocked down those 2 free throws. That's now 3 consecutive missed free throws now for San Pedro Mamba.
That
And
was
yung Elite 8 nito, Coach Pancho, ng Lead 1 is down to just 7 players na as Liscano fouls out.
Oh. But again, it was the free throws. Those 3 free throws, that could have been big. That could change the complexion.
Totoo, but there's still time. 1 minute and 2 seconds. Buitison gives it to sa pass-up. EJ, open lane. Sa pass-up. No good. Look at Liwanag!
Oh. Look at the effort.
Oh. And this is the time they'll waste, Coach Pancho.
Again, the effort that gives you another possession.
Buitison, Liwanag underneath. Back to CJ. Blocked by Mingilio. And Buitison, 24-second shot clock violation. But 24 plus that first possession pa, Coach Pancho.
Yes, they eat up a lot of time doon, which, a disadvantage for San Pedro Mamba, Mr. P Rentals Company. Ang daming oras na nasinayang doon. And that's because of the effort of the Lead 1 Kapampangan.
As Manse, this is a must-score possession. Manse attacks, flips it up and in, down by 2 na lang.
What a game, Enzo. What a game.
Hindi pa raw tapos, sabi ni Gian Manse, wisely. Fake. Kanina puro sa tres, bihira siyang umatake. The one time he attacks Coach Pancho, it's the most important basket for San Pedro. Mamba, ex-Mr. P Rental Company's tournament lives dito. What a drive there from the former JRU heavy bomber, Gian Manse. He cuts the lead down to 290 to 88.
Mga kasinag, panoorin ang salpukan sa mundo ng basketball. Watch the world play sa SLA Junior World Showcase sa July 17 to 21 sa Pampanga, Philippines. See you!
Sinagliga Asia Junior World Showcase Philippines is brought to you by Converge Fiber X. Experience better with Converge. Doble na, dinoble pa. Papatawa pa tong katabi ko rito. Etong next game natin, itong Pampanga Delta Pradera Team Park. Look at that, they have a new player suiting up for them, Coach Pancho. A growling tiger.
Grabe, no? A glimpse of what is bound to happen.
Dangerous pass.
Risky. Risky pass. But ilang beses na rin lang ginawa yung play na yan. Especially Nate Manarang doing that pass. But again.
Yes, and Coach Mark Roca livid there dahil sinabi ng referee, bola daw na Lead 1. But they can still review it
Yes.
under the last 2-minute rule.
Right.
That
But
was
that-
a risky pass,
That
Coach
was,
Pancho.
that was a risky play as well.
Oo. But again, kanina, they were doing that and Nathan Manara was hitting touchdown passes kanina pang first quarter. So
Oo.
I don't blame Luid One for trying to toss the ball up to the front court and maybe fake a shot, di ba? Para mag-ubos oras na lang sila. But
Yes,
then
and-
again, risky talaga eh.
Yes, and maybe that the reason why they did that was because they're anticipating, ayaw nilang ma-full court trap eh.
Oo.
Because alam nila yung trapping ng San Pedro Mamba, that might cause a turnover and an easy 2 points for them. Ayaw nilang madala rito yung bola. So they want to cross it on the other side. But again, somehow San Pedro Mamba, Mr. P Rentals Company, kasi nga, nakita na nila yun eh, na ginawa na Luidwan Kapapangin. So they were prepared for those, that kind of passes. That's why ito, nire-review ng ating mga officials dito. And let's see, we will wait for the official announcement.
Yes, grabe. CJ Buetison still looking. Dito tinitingnan niya ano magiging decision ng ating referee. This is gonna be a crucial call here. Maninigurado lang ulit.
Yes,
Sayang.
and why not? Because this is the playoffs and the do-or-die game, especially for San Pedro Mamba, Mr. P Rentals Company. So what a way to start this Independence Day edition of our Wednesday triple header for Sinag Liga Asia SLA Junior World Showcase 23 under born 2004, right?
The lone 23
Ah,
under
yeah.
game natin, di ba? Kasi 19 under na yung susunod nating dalawa.
Oo, kanina nga binigyan tayo ng glimpse na kung sino yung maglalaro at may nakita ka nga, may naspatang ka na bagong player doon, di ba?
Oo,
For the
take-
Pampanga.
Growling Tiger
Yes,
yun eh.
siyempre. They're still checking, of course. And eto, of course, they're not rushing things. They want to see the small details. Although, at alam naman natin tong SLA Sports Production, yung mga cameraman natin dito, lahat naka-capture lahat ng mga moments and actions. But, of course, our technical committee being headed by Combads, di ba? Of course, kailangan na wise decision, and kung ano talaga yung nakita, yun yung ilalabas niya in a short while. Ito, maya, ito, lalabas na yan.
Ito na,
Enzo.
ito na. And this
Oo.
could determine San Pedro Mamba's fate in this tournament dito. As our referees.
Oh!
San Pedro ball!
Wow!
San Pedro Mamba basketball! Take a look at this one more time. Manarang tried to toss it to Buitison.
Oh, yes!
Oh, it
Yes.
did not hit Elmer Domingo's foot.
Kasi yung angle natin dito, of course, we have different sides of angles,
Oo.
di ba? So, sa ibang angle, tumama. But on that angle na pinakita sa screen natin, great job by our production people, especially the cameraman.
Eto.
Galing nyo.
Eto na, Coach Pancho.
Yes.
All or nothing for San Pedro Mamba with this inbound. Saraza to enter the ball onto the front court.
One possession.
Oh, dangerous pass!
Wow!
Oh,
A wasted opportunity.
Miscommunication
What happened?
between Ken Saraza and Gian Manse.
Yes.
I believe Manse was supposed to pop off dun sa ball screen ni Mengilio. But binato ni Saraza dun kung saan papunta pa lang si Manse.
A total miscommunication, a wasted opportunity. Grabe yun. Sayang yun.
Oo. But still, Coach Pancho, 14 seconds pa sa shot clock ng Luid 1. They can still force a turnover right here. CJ gives it to Elos, but back to Buitison. They're wasting away some time, and
Yes.
wisely Mengilio will try to force CJ Buitison in these free throws, which we know historically CJ Buitison has had issues with free throws, Coach Pancho.
Yes. And actually, they could have taken that foul
Much earlier,
very
di ba?
Much earlier.
The pride of Mabalacat, Pampanga misses the first one.
Again, this Luid 1 Kapampangan team, Enzo, their free throw percentage is just 57%. They are dead last among the teams dito sa ating Born 2004 Cup. Etong Luid 1 Kapampangan.
Yes.
Free throws, are not their strength.
Second free throw. CJ, back iron, stopping, and Manara gets it!
Again, extra possession, extra effort.
San Pedro's not fouling. They're not fouling.
Oh.
CJ, now it's fouled. But look at the time, Coach Pancho.
Yes. Again, as what I've said earlier, they should have committed the foul.
Sayang yun. I think Coach Pancho, they didn't want to foul Nathan Manarang kasi we know Manarang is a really good free throw shooter.
Yeah.
And they choose Buitison to foul again right here.
But you know how wise player itong si CJ Buitison. Talagang, ayaw niyo akong foulin. Okay, umaandar yung oras.
Oo.
Diba?
And look at that, Coach Benji and Coach Jonathan saying match-up na daw sila regardless kung pumasok o hindi.
Yeah, grabe, no? For me personally, Enzo, ang biggest what if ko dito in this moment, what if kung maaga nilang pinahul kahit yung kanina pa, and then yung result ng free throw sa CJ, di ba? They could have gotten a lot of time. Siyempre, yan kanila yung possession.
Yes, and
Sana
ito,
mas marami yung time nila dito.
a 3-point lead for Luit 1. 91-88 with 5.5 seconds remaining dito. Obviously, Coach Pancho, they have to go for a 3
Yes.
and this is their final timeout of the game. Talking about San Pedro Mamba, and here's the question. Is this their final timeout of the tournament?
Yes, and this is the one thing that we need to know, and we need to find out after this timeout, after this huddle being made by Coach Mark Roca. So, for Luid 1 Kapampangan, I'll be watching out for Joshua Mingilio. I'll be watching out for Vince Manse or Gian Manse. Those deadly shooters
And
dito
Ken
who's been playing
Saraza
big,
pa.
and Ken Sarazo's been playing big.
But also,
No-brainer, 3-pointers ang ang gagawin dito, ang kukunin dito ng San Pedro Mamba, Mr. P. Rentals, to force, a possible turn overtime.
don't count out then Coach Pancho. John Samson, who has been really, really struggling on the floor. But if there's a time for him to finally make a field goal, di ba, Coach Pancho, this can be it for John Samson. Is this the final 5.5 seconds of San Pedro Mamba x Mr. P. Rentals Company tournament dito sa Sinag Liga Asia?
So here we go. Ito na yung 5 dito ni Coach Mark Roca, and all of the 5 players can shoot from 3.
Yes, Domingo, Manse, Samson, Dingding, and Mingilio are the 5 on the floor.
And look at Russell Liwanag being assigned dito kay Gian Manse.
Target na agad.
They
They give it to Albert. Dingding, that's a long two-pointer.
Yes, he stepped on the
That'll
line.
do it! Luit 1 Kapampangan survives this onslaught from San Pedro Mamba.
Wow. What a game we have here. And Albert Dingding was well defended on that last play from that corner. But, hats off to San Pedro Mamba, ex-Mr. P. Rentals Company. So let's give huge respect dito, especially for their team owner, Attorney Melvin Matibag, kay Boss Paolo Ramirez, of course, headed by Coach Mark Roca, Chris Javier, and Aisel Madelo, and of course, kay Bong Madelo and Aisel Velasco dito, and the rest of the San Pedro Mamba, Mr. P. Rentals Company, who brought their hearts out dito in this tournament. But it was the Luid 1 Kapampangan, Enzo.
Yes, thank you so much once again to the San Pedro Mamba x Mr. P. Rentals Company for giving us a lot of memories in their tournament and giving this game, diba? Giving it their all. It was all or nothing for them, and they gave their hearts out dito, Coach Pancho. Grabe, down to the final possession. But again, Luid 1, come playoff time, 8 players and all. Grabe. Another miraculous victory for this team.
Wow, down the wire victory here by the Luid 1 Kapampangan. More importantly, advancing, booking a ticket to the next round dito. Well, hats off to the 8 players, and more importantly, hats off to the coaching staff of Luid 1 Kapampangan, headed by Coach Jonathan Bedigwan and Coach returning Benji
Navarro.
Navarro, who played a major role dito, ha?
Yes.
Because they really managed effectively the playing minutes of those 8 players. That's why yung 8 players have effectively contributed into their winning cause in this ball game.
Totoo, Coach Pancho. At ngayon kasama na ni Daphne Lozano ang ating CDO Best Players of the Game for Fluid One Kapampangan. Daphne, take it away.
Good afternoon, mga kasinag. Beside me is not just one, but 2 CDO Best Player of the Game from Fluid One Kapampangan, EJ Sapasap and Nathan Manarang. But on my right side is EJ Sapasap with 14 points, 11 rebounds, and 7 assists. Congratulations, EJ. And sabi mo kanina, yung sarili nyo nga talaga ang tunay nyo na kalaban in this match. And congratulations for overcoming that. And bukod pa doon, sa tingin mo, ano yung naging dahilan ng pagkapanalo nyo today?
Yung dahilan na pagkapanalo namin is, una nagtiwala lang kami sa isa't isa, tapos yun, nakinig kami sa mga coaches. Yun.
And now I'm giving you the opportunity to thank and greet anyone that you like.
Unang-una nagpapasalamat ako kay God, sa Fluid, sa family ko, sa family ng girlfriend ko, sa Pamintuan family, kay Sir Jan Antang, sa mga Campo Boys, sa mga nag-graduate na kuya ko dyan, kay Lander, kay Kuya Renz, at saka kay Kuya Casey. Ingat kayo and sana matupad nyo lahat yung mga pangarap niya. Yun lang.
Thank you so much. And now on my left side is Nathan Manarang with 17 points, 3 rebounds, and 1 assist. Congratulations, Nathan. So your 3 points shot, especially in the second half, helped the team gain momentum and of course was able to hold it off until the very end of the match. So what's your motivation in order to perform well today?
Yung motivation ko lang is, syempre, parang quarterfinals na to, win or go home, parang ganun na rin yung mentality namin ngayon. And ayun, nagtiwala lang sa akin sila coach na kahit basta makuha ko sa tres, tira ko lang daw.
And now I'm also giving you the opportunity to thank and greet anyone that you like.
Shoutout nga pala sa parents ko na nandito ngayon. Si ate ko, Kuya JR at mga pamangkin ko. At sa girlfriend ko, si Dana. Hello. Love you.
Sana all. But that is our CDO Best Player of the Game na makakatanggap din of course ng gift pack from CDO, food that brings you home. Now back to you, Enzo and Coach Pancho.
Thank you so much, Daphne. And once again, congratulations to EJ Sapasap and itong si Nathan Manarang. And syempre, Coach Jonathan Benedict Buwan na lumapit pa sa panel.
Oo,
diba?
kaya nga feeling ko mukhang mag-celebrate sila doon sa Villa Bayas Farm and Resort nila sa Magalang, Pampanga.
There you go. Once again, congratulations to Fluid One Kapampangan. And also, thank you so much again to the San Pedro Mamba X Mr. P Rentals Company. But coming up next, dito naman tayo sa Born 2004 tournament natin. Semi-final game natin between the Pampanga Delta Pradera Team Park kontra Baliwag Stars. Susunod na po yan mga kasinag. But that ends our first game dito in the quarterfinals round 1 game natin dito sa 23 under natin sa Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase. For Coach Pancho Alfonso, Daphne Lozano, o po si Enzo Galarosa, and on behalf of Direk Nomar Santiago, Direk Don Mike Tan, and Direk Billy De Leon, Direk Ramonito Roa, and the rest of the hard-working men and women na nagtrabaho dito from the SM South Mall in Las Piñas City. This has been your 2024 Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase Philippines. Kita-kits mga kasinag. Peace!